We're at a birthday party that was crashed by Janis Joplin. Hi, Joplin puppy.
Whoa.
Hi, Joplin. Hi, guys. Did you find a new place where the puppy can't reach you?
Good.
You're up on my little drawers here in the closet. You happy?
Basically, yes.
You guys look so cute.
I'm trying to tuck in this creepy little monkey and it won't let go. The creepy monkey won't let me go. The dogs are playing tug of war and this one won't let me go. She won't let me go.
It didn't occur to me to show you before I started eating, but we tried salmon for the first time tonight, and it's actually really good. We all like it. Alright, I might have to cover up the music because it's a cover of a copyrighted song, but we're here to support a friend of ours who's playing some live music at a local bowling alley.
Next person, I'd like to give respect and honor to all the veterans.
As I expected, these two are getting bored. This is in a display case of odds and ends at the bowling alley. And I've never seen one of these before.
These doors leading to the restaurant.
It's a tape player and a radio. Can anyone tell me what decade that bike is from? I'd love to know. 8 ounces. Baby Coca-Cola.
Like putting big shoes on.
That's cool. Yes.
They hurt after a while, then you take them on and you feel so relaxed.
Awesome.
They have face painting inside, pizza, cookies, drinks, so you guys help yourself.
Awesome.
They also have that helicopter.
We're at Cincinnati Bell in Bridgewater Falls where they have the WEBN fireworks helicopter and it's customer appreciation. They have free food and some fun stuff. We entered to win. She got her face painted. That is an awesome unicorn.
I love this kid.
4. See how good it's like.
Okay, the part that totally kills me is that he's looking up here, but his hands are you cannot see your hands at all. Like, that kills me. I can't do it at all. I have to like. All right, guys. Oh. This is all water and soap soluble, so you can't get it wet or sweat too much. No working out today, okay? Drat.
I might leave on work at church in the morning.
I would.
Or maybe work to work on Monday. Wash every arm but this one. See if they notice my skin do it. Well, that'd be cute, wouldn't it?
Yeah, if you wash around it careful enough.
Yeah, I wouldn't have a Scooby-Doo tattoo. Grandma's Paula. Grandma's getting Scooby-Doo. Come here, look.
What do you think? Pretty good? So I'm on the green.
Here's the helicopter for the fireworks, as they are calling the trip to the fireworks. You can see the logo there. And they do helicopter tours with up to 3 passengers. The fastest way to the fireworks. Stratushelicopters.com. That's their website.
Get it?
Oh, no, I hit the record. They're getting all packed up, ready to go. This is, I know. Hi, Mommy.
Neat though.
This is the helicopter. Awesome.
Just barely made it because we're packing up to leave.
There's the tail number, but I don't know what kind of helicopter this is. No, you can't get inside it, but you get to see it. Oh, you're upset because you can't get inside. But I could take your picture with it. No. Alex, want me to get your picture with the helicopter? No to you too, huh? Okay. A Robinson helicopter.
If you guys stick around, we're going to take off here in just a few minutes.
Awesome.
We hope we go for a ride, but
Yeah, come down to Newport. We'll be doing rides. Actually, tomorrow we've got a few reservations available, but next weekend.
Mom, I won't watch him take off.
We will. We'll stay and watch him take off.
Right now, it's like being in a fishbowl. Magnifying glass with that kind of glass.
Yeah, it's athletic saying, ain't it?
What's the typical?
Yeah.
What's the typical height that it flies to when you're cruising around?
Usually when we fly around, we go about 1,400 feet. Which
Wow.
is about, that's above sea level. So above the ground is only about 600 feet.
Oh.
We can fly up to 40,000 feet. Helicopter. There's no reason for a helicopter to fly that.
it's nice to know that it can go that high just in case you have to, you know.
Here we go.
Oh man. How cool is that?
That's very cool.
To drive airborne. I want to even.
Wow. Mom, that's awesome.
Yep. My mom is very impressed because they mentioned that one of their pilots actually flew the helicopter from the Airwolf TV show. They're warming up and getting ready to go. Yes, it gets faster and faster.
I watched the helicopter one day from Wilson for an Anderson Hospital. Transporting somebody.
Yeah.
It's pretty neat.
When I went to Wilson, we'd see them land, rush people across the street in a gurney to the ER.
Yeah.
Did you like that, guys?
First time I ever seen a chopper lift off.
Yeah, that was cool. Puppies for adoption, puppies for adoption.
Bad.
This guy's
It all
eyes match
depends on
his
how you
fur.
treat
That is
him, I
so
think.
pretty.
Turtle is that? Mom, there's
Let's
nothing
see if it
here.
says African side neck turtle.
Mom, there's nothing
he
in
is.
here.
Well, there might not be anything in that one.
Oh, a turtle.
Yep, turtle's there, lizard's here. Lots of lizards in that one.
Lizard.
Oh, a snake. He's hungry. We're meeting some greyhounds. Hi. You want to kiss my camera? You can kiss it. I don't care. I'll just clean it off.
Where would we get a retired one at? Where would we go to get a retired greyhound?
Well, our organization, these dogs here came from Birmingham.
Queen City
They came from the track
Greyhounds.
in Birmingham. Right now we're working with a kennel
pretty one
Which
there.
means we're getting younger dogs into a trap.
This baby girl just finished giving me a hug.
They'll put them out right then for adoption.
Hi, beautiful.